In this video, I'm going to talk about analytics and SEO. Your all data analytics, especially how many users have come to your website in a day, who are the real-time users, what languages they communicate, from which channel they have come, say for example, social channel or email or direct or through Google organic search. So analytics we track using Google Analytics, and regarding SEO we do with Yoast SEO. So we'll deal more about it in the digital marketing course. And for analytics, how to set up your WordPress with Google Analytics. So let us go to our WordPress dashboard, and here click on Insights. So this is Monster Insights plugin. What it does is that it simplifies your connection of Google Analytics with your WordPress site. So it is pre-default installed in your WordPress. So just click on this Insights, click on Settings. So you get this Monster Insights Google authentication. So don't directly connect here. Instead, rather what you do is search for Google Analytics, and once you get there, click this. So once you click this, you'll get this. So you need to sign up for Google Analytics. Just write your name. So we are doing with Healing Buddy. So my new website, just type all the details. So fill in the relevant details. Select a category. These are the categories available. Just select a relevant one and put the reporting time as India or whichever country you are from. And once you are done with this, just click Get Tracking ID and accept to the terms. So it is successful. So just click on No Thanks here, go to Setting, and now authenticate with your Google account. Allow this to get access of your Google. This is the property that we had set in Google Analytics. Just give it complete connection. So once this is done, verify the credentials. So your site is connected to Monster Insights. So what you can do is go to Analytics now, go on Home here, and now say open this website in a new incognito tab. So you see, go to real-time report. So you can see one user right now on become a volunteer page, become a volunteer page. So your Google Analytics is working great. This is how you complete an entire website in a nutshell. This is a very simple process. Believe me, if you sit with it for like 2 to 3 hours, I promise you can code your own website very today itself. And talking about submitting your website to Google for indexing as well as to rank higher, we'll talk more about it in the digital marketing course. It has been explained there very exhaustively. I hope you had a great learning curve. Thank you so much for being such a patient audience, and I hope that you create amazing, amazing websites in the future.